Just as engineers often fear the behavioral interviews and overthink them, they often underthink the technical interviews. But here's the thing though, these technical interviews are as much about communication and other soft skills as they are about your problem solving skills. Here are some key tips on how to ace this interview. At the start, focus on the why. What is the problem you're trying to solve? How does it fit into the overall business strategy? How do you measure success? What key features will help make this solution successful? These questions collectively represent a scoping negotiation with your interviewer, which will guide your solutioning. This approach will also give you some time to collect your thoughts. It will reduce the possibility of you jumping the gun too soon and recommending something that may backfire later in the interview. As you build out your response, here are some best practices. Explain gradually as you create your solution and speak clearly so your interviewer knows your direction and reasoning. As you plow forward, relate your decisions back to the key problem you're solving and the success metrics you negotiated at the very beginning. Consider limitations and fail modes and spell them out so that your interviewer understands that you have considered all possible scenarios. Call out assumptions you make. Your interviewer cannot read your mind. Finally, keep checking in with your interviewer to make sure you're on track. Your interviewer is your customer. Collaboration is a sign of respect. You may have noticed that a lot of interviewers for tech screens take a screenshot of your coding or system design solution at the very end. The reason they do that is that because during the interview, they focus on the decisions you make, the communication, and the trade-offs as you build your ideas. This is why they take notes aggressively during the interview. They are less focused on the outcome or how perfect it is. That is what a phone camera is for. A lot of my tips are geared towards helping you succeed in such scenarios.